I'm Leon from 7 Day Dental. I want to share with you information about Orange County family dentistry. Now, every one of our offices treats families. Children are especially susceptible to decay, as adults are. But when they're young teeth, they may get decay, and they may get that rapidly because the enamel on baby teeth is very tiny compared to the amount on permanent teeth for adults. So, one of the things you can do is have regular checkups with your children to see where you are. There's also something about general health for adults. If you have gum disease or decay in your mouth, the bacteria from that can get into your bloodstream and go directly to your heart. This can cause heart problems. We recommend that you brush twice a day for 2 minutes and then floss. If you can't brush and you're out somewhere, you can rinse out thoroughly. If you have mouthwash, rinse out thoroughly and chew sugarless gum for about a half hour. This will reduce and neutralize the acid in your mouth that's produced by the bacteria eating the sugar and creating this acid, which can destroy the enamel on your teeth and start the decay process. So, come to us. We'll help you find a dental plan and a dental treatment that's appropriate for you, and a good diet, and how to brush and take care of your teeth. So, call us today at any one of our offices and set up an appointment. There are forms to fill out online at our website that you could utilize and come in with. It makes the time a little faster when you come in, so you don't have to wait and fill out forms. But we'll help you with that, anything you need. So, call us at 7 Day Dental and make an appointment. Thanks.